Hey gym enthusiasts, welcome to a brand new video. I'm your fitness friend Sergio Hernandez, and today we're going to learn how to do push-ups. Are you ready? Let's get started. Push-ups are amazing. They help make our arms, chest, and even our tummy super strong. Plus, they're a great way to stay fit and healthy. Let's push right in with some easy steps to become a push-up champion. First things first, you want to start with the perfect starting position. When starting your starting position, place your hands flat on the ground, right under your shoulders. You want to make sure you spread your fingers wide like a starfish. Next, you want to tuck your toes under, and then lastly, lift your knees off the ground. You should be balancing on your hands and toes. While balancing yourself on your hands and toes, make sure to keep your body straight, like a pencil. We don't want to see any sticking up bottoms, so imagine you're a superhero flying straight through the air. Not to mention any names, but comment below on who do you think I may be talking about. Now that you're in the perfect starting position, next, we're going to lower ourselves down. Remember, slow and steady. It's not about the quantity of push-ups you do, but more of the quality. Now slowly, you're going to want to bend your elbows, keep them close to your body, lower your chest towards the ground, and of course, keep your body straight like a ruler. Go as low as you can without touching the floor. Imagine you're lowering yourself to smell a yummy cookie, but you can't eat it yet. And guess what? Now that we got that out of the way, there are lots of other cool push-up styles. Let's check out a few and see how they help different parts of our body. Diamond push-ups. With diamond push-ups, put your hands together under your chest so your thumbs and fingers make a diamond shape. This one really works with your triceps, which are the muscles on the back of your arms. Make sure you feel the burn. Incline push-ups. Incline push-ups, place your hands on a raised surface like a bench or a step. This targets the upper chest, shoulders, and triceps, while being easier on the joints and suitable for beginners or those progressing towards standard push-ups. Decline push-ups. Decline push-ups are done with your feet on a higher surface, which works the lower chest, shoulders, and triceps more intensely. This push-up is more challenging than regular push-ups. On to our last push-up style, clap push-ups. Clap push-up is a push-up where you can push off the ground with enough force to clap your hands before landing, which helps explosive strength in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Each of these push-up styles help different muscles and makes us stronger in new ways. Mix them up and keep your workouts exciting and challenging. Alright push-up pals, I guess that's it for today. Remember to practice your push-ups regularly, and soon you'll be a push-up pro. Keep having fun, stay active, and never give up. Thank you for joining me on this new video. Be sure to check out a few of our fitness equipment and check out our other videos about fitness and health. I am Sergio Hernandez with AAA State of Play. Thank you for watching.